What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we've got a shop update. We've got the renos done. Let's go take a look at all the space we've just got. Okay guys, we are here, and as you can see, we have got a ton more space. So we've got the booth moved, we've got everything lit up, we've got everything off of this wall, and now we've actually got some really good working stalls. So we've got a quick lane area for us to run into the booth. We've got a nice proper stall that when we're not working on cars or when they're painted, we can have them covered. As you can see, the bikes have already started rolling in and they're all covered up and keeping that dust off, so we can kind of keep that in. And now we can come on over through here where the booth used to be is now our full-on designated body and fab stall. We've got everything up. Paul's kind of cranking away on the GS, getting things fabbed up. So we've got our ramp built up into the booth, which makes it easier. Now we can drive cars in and get them right up on. We do have a winch that will actually be winching cars in, so we don't have to break our back pushing them up. So booth is all set up. We've got a little bit of cleanup work to do in here. We got the walls to paint and all the seams to caulk, but we're almost there. Jess is getting our Firebird parts all ready to rock, so we can get them painted and get that one done and out of here. And we can walk right through. We've got our man door right into the mix room now. And now we've got everything up, so we can just kind of pass through. We don't have to worry about walking all the way around anymore, and everything's kind of right there for us. We've got everything we need. And when we come through this door, we're back out into the main shop. So everything kind of works all the way through. And then we've got our main. We've got this all opened up now as well, which we weren't able to use. We had to go all the way around before, so now we can just come right through and vehicles can kind of stay in the shop and we don't have to push them outside and push them all the way around and everything. So now, yeah, we're utilizing all of our 4,000 square feet here. We've got lots more projects on the go, more coming in. So yeah, guys, that's the shop. Thanks for coming along the tour. Thanks for all your support. All of the subscribers now, if you haven't subscribed, go do so now, please. We really appreciate it. Also check our website out. We've got merch, we've got hats, we've got t-shirts, we've got some work shirts in the mix, so stay tuned for that. So we will catch you guys in the next one.